suppose I should make note that I couldn't find a specific trailer hitch for a Mustang, for a Fox body or a New Edge or an SN95. So I ended up going with a universal unit. So I'm going to show you guys. So this is the one that I went with. Designed for 5,000 pounds max, and obviously this is with it installed the way that they intended. I don't think I'm going to have any issues with this, especially for the small trailer I'm pulling. It's a Mustang, for crying out loud. You're not going to be towing 20,000 pounds. So this thing, I mean, if you are, good on you, but I'm not. I'm trying to find the actual part number on this. Came with a bunch of hardware. It was, universal fit, so that was my allure to this guy. That way I had more than what I needed. Yeah, this is literally a universal one that I bought off Amazon. There's a 37042 part number on there. I had to modify it quite a bit, cut the brackets, drill some holes. I guess it wasn't that bad. Just the thicker brackets, I just had to drill some holes and flip them around and use them how they weren't designed. It worked out good. This is going to work good for what I need. So I ended up having to take this bumper assembly out, which is a gigantic pain in the butt. So I took that guy out, and then I bolted this kit and had to modify it a little bit, but so far so good. I think that looks really good. Got a nice center down there. And now, there's one bolt I couldn't get to take the bumper cover off, so I just peeled it out of the way. It'll work. So, I'm going to have to get the bumper back up in there, and then I should have a beautiful looking hitch. I never thought I'd see the day where I was putting a hitch on my race car, but race week things. See, I got the hitch on, so I'm pretty excited about that, but now I have to get the bumper cover back on. So if you can see as you can see from the video, the bumper cover had to come off, and I had a couple of bolts that weren't quite easy to get off. These guys down in here. There's 3 along the side here, and then same on the other side. And they are a booger. Well, she's just about buttoned up in the back. Got all my panels back on. Now I'm working on getting the rest of the stuff in the rear done because I've got Rocky Mountain Race Week coming up. So there it is. It, it is what it is. It's not the best looking thing I've ever done to my car, but I need to pull a trailer. Man. So you can see it. I bolted it to the inner bumper structure. So here's the actual inner bumper, the steel. And I took this down. You saw me drill the holes out, bolted this guy on, and I mean it is solid. This thing's not gonna tow a lot anyway. I mean my trailer's not very much, so it should do perfectly for what I need. My only concern was if maybe these are not as strong as... we'll find out. There's only one way to find out. That was really the only structural stuff back here, so... good times. I've got more to do, so I'm going to get on it. Drive fast, take chances. We'll see you guys on the next one. Rocky Mountain Race Week's almost here.